वेलकम बैक टू कोर टू कोटेक्स। आज हम करने वाले हैं वर्किंग विथ ऑन स्क्रीन डेटा इन फ्लटर एप्लीकेशन विच इज द लास्ट लैब ऑफ arcade level 2 January. So first we will start this lab and then we will move on to the task of this lab. If we come down, we see there are many tasks which you can do. However, you don't have to do anything in the terms of points, and you can just click check my progress and your lab is completed. You can again go into this IDE and live server and apply all the tasks to it just for your learning purpose. However, it won't be added in points. So you can just end your lab after clicking check my progress here in the last. As it is completed, just end this lab and you are done. Congratulations, you have successfully completed this lab and you have also completed the arcade level 2 January if you are doing in sequence.